Hi everyone, today in this video we will see that during Selenium automation how the web elements and locators try to trick us while finding a web element, and how do we handle the web elements using Xpath, or we can say how Xpath helps us in overcoming this situation. In Selenium automation, locators are used to identify elements on a web page. So locators are very important in automation testing. Here I am introducing some types of locators in Selenium. First is ID locator. This is the fastest and most reliable locator in Selenium. Second is name locator. This is again a very important, and it is used when the ID of the element is not available. Third is link locator. This locates the links in a web page. Partial link text. This locates links by doing a partial text match of the links. Next is tag name. This locator uses tag names to identify elements on web page. The tag name is the HTML tag such as input, div, anchor, span, etc. CSS selector. This locator uses a character sequence pattern to identify the web elements. This is considered a bit faster as compared to the other locators. Last is Xpath. It is the one of the most important locators in Selenium. Though finding sometimes Xpath of an element can be tricky as well, right? So today I'll show you how a simple example of a parabank website, and in that website how Xpath will help us in handling a tricky situation. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, so in this website, a customer can log in using username and password. But before that, he has to register in this website using the register link. Now, when he clicks on the register link, there is a form which contains various fields: first name, last name, address, city, etc., and username, password, confirm password. So once he gives all these values, he has to click on the register button in order to get the registered. Now once this is done, then what I have written script for this functionality, and once the registration is done, I want to verify the value of this first name field, last name field, and other fields, that whatever the value has been given by the user, it should be displayed correctly in the next screen, and that screen is update profile info screen. Okay, now let's see how the script is written. So this is the Eclipse, and I have written a script for this, where I have given the URL as parabank.parasoft.com, and I initiated the web browser, which is Chrome browser, and I also set some browser parameters using Chrome options class. And then for one by one, I located all the elements like first name, last name, address, and all the other fields using locators, which is mostly I used ID, as ID locator is a unique and it is easily available for all these fields, right? And after the registration is done, what I need to do, I clicked on update info link, and another form opens where I can see first name, last name, and other fields which had been given by the user, and I tried to verify it using the assert class. Okay, now let's run this class. Okay, page is launched. Okay, form values are given. Okay, okay, so on clicking update contact info, update profile page has come, and let's see how our script is showing the results. Oh, it has failed. Okay, so the error is stale element reference exception. It means it is not able to find the element. And which element it is not able to find? That is customer dot first name. So let us check at what place customer dot first name we have given. So we have used customer dot first name here while giving the value of first name field, but as we saw, our script has successfully detected this first name by using id and also given the first name value successfully. So let us find another place. Okay, so this is the another place where we have used the first name, and this is we have used while verifying the value of first name field in update contact info page. Now let us see how XPath will help us in solving this tricky situation. Now try to again inspect this element. Okay, so it is showing the same value. ID is customer dot first name, but as we saw that this locator is not successful. Our script is not accepting this locator. So we have to find some other way. What we have to do? We have to find this form, right? And the form tag is division and locator is ID, which is update profile form. Let us see how to do this. Tag name, locator, locator value. Sorry, I have given the wrong, it should be form. Okay, so it is able to detect this form, update profile. Now, first name is the subset of this form. Now I will move to this tag, which is input tag. So the format will be / input tag id value, which is customer dot first name. Okay, so this is the XPath, which is another way to find this text box. Let us try with this XPath. Here we have to create a new web element. I'll give the name as fname.1, fname1, driver.find element. I'll make this single quote. I'll make some corrections as per the format. Okay, so this is first we are finding the division, that is update profile form, and then customer dot first name. Okay, so this seems good. Now I have to change it to the recent written web element, that is fname1, and here also I have to give some unique username because one I have already used. Let me clear the console, save the script. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's move to our script. Yeah, so it has been successful, right? It has been able to verify this name with respect to the actual name and also able to print the value. If this is true, if assert is true, then it is able to print the value. So guys, this is how we can handle tricky situations with the help of XPath. In order to learn more, stay connected with us. Thank you.